Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to improve your English, you're in the right place. Here, you will learn how to speak with more confidence. Today, I will share some clear and easy tips. These tips will help you practice English every day. So, stay with me till the end of the video. English is a global language. It's a powerful way to connect with people around the world. Many people study English to travel or go abroad. Some learn it to work in international companies. Others want to make friends in other countries. English also helps you use the internet more effectively. You can read international books and explore global culture. But learning English is not only about grammar rules or reading books. To truly improve, you need to practice speaking. Speaking is a very important skill. Speaking English builds your confidence. It helps you use the language in real situations. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will feel. You can use English at school, at work, or while traveling. Many learners feel nervous when they speak. They feel shy and afraid to make mistakes. Some worry about forgetting words. But the best way to overcome this fear is by speaking often. You don't need perfect grammar to speak well. Trying your best is what matters most. The more you speak, the more fluent and relaxed you'll become. A simple way to practice is by talking to yourself. You can speak about your day or your plans. You can share how you feel in English. This is a helpful habit. It's great if you don't have a partner to practice with. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Pretend you're talking to a friend. This will help you think in English. It will also improve your pronunciation and speaking skills. Another great way is speaking with others. Find a speaking buddy or join a speaking club. You can also join an online practice group. Even 5 minutes of conversation a day can help you improve. Speaking with friends or classmates builds your skills. You learn new words and build better sentences. Making mistakes is okay. They help you learn faster and grow stronger. Listening is also a part of speaking practice. Watch English movies and listen to English songs. Try following podcasts too. These help you hear how native speakers use the language. You will learn the natural rhythm of English. It trains your ears to listen and understand better. Try repeating what you hear. Copy how native speakers talk. Match their pronunciation, tone, and emotion. This will help your English sound more natural. To improve, you should speak every day. Even a few minutes of practice is useful. You don't need to study for hours. Just be consistent and keep going. Learn new words daily and use them in your sentences. Even one new sentence a day can help you grow. Record your voice while speaking. Then listen and check how you sound. You'll notice areas that need improvement. Celebrate your progress and stay motivated. Speaking is the most important skill to grow your English. It helps you gain confidence and speak more smoothly. so don't be afraid to start. Talk to yourself or to someone else who can help. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start speaking now. Practice every day, because practice makes perfect. Every sentence you speak brings you closer to fluency. Learning English is a journey. It opens doors to knowledge and new experiences. You can meet new people and explore other cultures. You can also grow in your career. For many learners, the real challenge is speaking confidently in daily life. It's not just about grammar or vocabulary. With the right mindset, you can get better. With daily practice, anyone can improve. Speaking well needs regular practice. Reading or learning words is not enough. You must speak clearly and often. Speaking trains your mouth to say words correctly. Your tongue and muscles get stronger through practice. It also helps you think directly in English. You will stop translating from your native language. A good way to begin is by speaking to yourself. Do this when you are alone. Talk about what you're doing. Share your thoughts in short conversations. Next, try speaking with other people. You can find a speaking buddy who is also learning English. Or you can join online English practice groups. Even short conversations can make a big difference in your learning. Speaking with others helps you stay motivated and interested. If possible, talk to fluent or native speakers. You can find them on language exchange apps or social media. Don't worry too much about speaking perfectly. Mistakes show that you are learning something new. Use simple words first, then slowly add new ones to grow your vocabulary. Remember, communication matters more than perfection. Listening is also a key part of speaking practice. When you listen to English songs, movies, or interviews, you learn how English is used naturally. You also learn common phrases, slang, and real conversations. Try repeating the sentences you hear. Pay attention to how the words are spoken. Copy their pronunciation, tone, and emotion. This will help you sound more natural when you speak. Every time you speak, you train your brain to think faster in English. Also, try to set small daily goals for yourself. For example, learn 5 new words and use them in a sentence. Or speak in English for 10 minutes without stopping. Writing your goals in a notebook can help you stay on track. These small habits slowly build your speaking skills and confidence. The more you enjoy the process, the faster you'll see results. Most importantly, be patient and stay positive. It's normal to feel shy or nervous at the beginning, but don't let that stop you. Keep practicing your speaking. Confidence grows with regular effort and time. Slowly, you will see real improvement. Don't wait for someone to correct you. Be brave and correct yourself. You will speak clearly, have longer conversations, and even think in English. In the end, speaking English well is possible for everyone. It needs time, energy, and daily practice. If you speak, listen, and learn a little each day, you will get better. Even a small improvement every day leads to big progress in the future. Make speaking English part of your daily routine. You will grow quickly and connect with people around the world. So, begin today. Speak more, make mistakes,
keep learning and enjoy your journey. You are on your way to becoming a confident English speaker. Bye-bye.